What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work again on the Jaguar, but this time on the rear. We're going to try to bend this part out and try if the new trunk and if the new bumper will fit as well. The first thing that we're going to do is get rid of all the wiring and get this trunk lid off, put the new trunk lid on, and then try to push this out and make sure that the new trunk lid fit like a glove. So we got the spare tire out, the trunk lid is off. The thing that we're going to do now first is get a new trunk lid on and check if she fits or if we need to bend something. Okay guys, so after struggling for quite some hours, we finally got the trunk lid aligned properly. Only one thing that's left to do is push the inside out. As you can see on the driver's side, it fits perfectly. But on the passenger side, there's quite a gap that needs to be filled. So we need to push this part out to make the trunk lid fit 100%. Yeah, oh. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are busy with trying to press from the inside out, but as you can see, there's a curved wall here, so our press will go all the way. So what we have to do is we need to fabric something from wood, so we have a nice straight line where we can put our press in and press this sucker out. So we push this panel a little bit towards us. The tail lamp fits perfectly, but we also noticed that this part has been ripped off. So we will put two new rivets here, so we can also bend rear fender with it as well, so we have the perfect fit. So after being busy for another 3 hours or something, we finally got the tail lamp fitted as a glove. Also the trunk lid fits like a glove. We pushed the complete rear panel out, so everything fits perfectly. Also we installed new rivets. So what we're now going to do is install all the lights, also the third brake light. We need to install also the license plate lamps we need to install, and then finally install the rear bumper. So it turns out that the wiring harness of our spare parts trunk lid is different than the original harness. So need to remove all the electronics again and install the new wiring harness. So we found another problem. It turns out that this trunk lid is a bit different than our old one, because we don't have any holes here for the license plate lamps. Okay guys, we got the trunk lid fitted like a glove. Sits perfectly on the rear of the car. Also the inner tail lamps are there. The license plate lamp bar is here, and the wing with the third brake lamp and the DAB receiver is also there. The next thing that we need to do is put the tail lights in and then fit the rear bumper. So in all my euphoria, I forgot that I first need to mount the rear bumper and then the tail lamps. So we will need to remove it again. Try to fit on the bumper and it doesn't fit, but we got another diffuser given by Steve, so we will remove this diffuser first and then check if it will fit. She's finally back together for the test fit. We now have a multicolored Jaguar XK convertible from 2010. Hopefully in the next video we can fit the control arm and get the other mechanical parts as well. With that being said, guys, this is the end of this video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Hopefully see you in our next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.